Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. How you doing on this Tuesday morning? It is the 28th day of November, just after 4 o'clock in the morning, and it's a cold one out here this morning. In fact, it's colder than I thought it would be. Many temperatures right now are in the low 30s, near or below the freeze mark, or somewhere in the vicinity of the freeze mark this morning. But we're going to see a nice recovery. I'll tell you about some spring-like temperatures on the way. Then there's a cool front on the way later in the week that could bring some much-needed scattered showers, but the air behind it is not very cool. I hinted to you, if you were watching yesterday's video, that I think the first week of December is going to be very, very spring-like. But after the first week of December, we could start to see a huge December slide in temperatures. And there's more evidence of that this morning. Let's take a look.
High pressure has now moved off the east coast. That means we're on the warmer side, and we're getting a return flow, so temperatures are starting to warm up today. In fact, I think we are probably right around 70 degrees for a high here. Some of our neighbors around the southeastern U.S. even a little bit warmer than that. So sunny and warmer with a high around 70, just like a spring day. Tonight slowed down to about 48, so not as cold. East winds 5 to 10 miles per hour, east to southeast, and then diminishing tonight. Tomorrow is a spring-like day. I think we're in the low 70s. I think we're dry during the day. Could be some showers Wednesday night. You see those showers out to the west? That's along a frontal system that'll be approaching as we get into the day Thursday. Here's Thursday morning, the front near Little Rock, moving on southeastward. So we'll say scattered showers on Thursday, especially Thursday afternoon and Thursday evening as the front moves through. And then the front makes it all the way down to the Gulf Coast on Friday into central Florida, but there's a little weak disturbance lagging behind it, and a couple of the models try to print a couple of showers on Friday. Right now, I'm ignoring that. GFS has some showers. I've got a cooler day, and there's that little disturbance along the Gulf Coast. But we'll see about if the forecast has to be amended to include showers. Comfortable day on Saturday. I think we have a chilly start and another chilly start on Sunday morning, but a warmer afternoon. All in all, it's going to be feeling very spring-like, even behind that cool front. So we've got a 20% chance of showers in late Wednesday or Wednesday night. 72 is the high. In around 71 Thursday with a 40% chance of showers. Then cooler Friday and into the upper 30s, I think, on Saturday and Sunday morning. But afternoon highs will be very nice indeed. Then the next big front would be the following week. Thursday, December 7th, about, 9 or 10 days from now? And that has some showers and storms ahead of it. And it has much colder air behind it. In fact, I think we'll see a significant change. Let's take a look at that on a graph form, all right? I love this because this tells a great story. The European shows the spring-like temperatures we have for the next few days. The blue bar at the bottom shows the scattered showers on Thursday. Then we have a cool Sunday morning. Then we start to moderate. And another cold front Tuesday and Wednesday with scattered showers. Then a huge drop late that following week. There's quite a story in that graph there. And dramatically colder into the second week of December. So the first week of December feels like spring. After that, we start to trend downward as we go into the middle and probably latter part of December as well. And the GFS confirms that. It shows, again, the spring-like temperatures. It shows the cold front. And it shows around December 8th, around Friday, we start the downward trend, including some colder nights, too. Our weather app will keep you on top of all the weather changes, and apparently there's a lot in the next few weeks. Go to the App Store, search Rich Thomas Weather, 10-day forecast, hourly forecast, access to these videos, current conditions, and a whole lot more. Just search Rich Thomas Weather.
So let me caution you, when we take a look at those long-range outlooks way out there, sometimes they don't work out. Sometimes they're just plain wrong. However, when I see enough evidence from more than one model and I start to believe it, that's when I give you an idea, a heads up. I like to kind of keep you ahead of the curve, okay? Live on the radio this morning from 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1. I'll have another video for you first thing tomorrow morning at 4:45 a.m. on the second to last day of November. Have a great day today. It's going to be beautiful. I'll see you later.
Rich Thomas Weather.